Cats are known for their unique and often mysterious behaviors, and one such behavior that intrigues many cat owners is the way they sometimes sleep with their paws tucked under their bodies, often referred to as the cat loaf posture. This seemingly cute and cozy position, where a cat curls its paws underneath its chest and sits or sleeps with a compact, loaf-like shape, has fascinated cat lovers for years. While it might appear to be simply an adorable quirk, there is more to the cat loaf than meets the eye. To truly understand why cats sleep with their paws tucked under them, it's important to explore the behavior's significance, from comfort and safety to warmth and relaxation. The cat loaf posture is essentially a variation of how cats naturally position themselves when they want to relax, sleep, or rest, while remaining in a state of alertness. Cats are inherently territorial and cautious creatures, often sleeping in positions that allow them to stay alert to any potential dangers or disturbances. Sleeping with their paws tucked under their bodies is a way for cats to maintain a position that is both comfortable and protective. The compact, tucked-in form is similar to the way cats position themselves when they need to feel secure. The tightness of the loaf shape helps the cat conserve body heat, which is especially important for domestic cats who might live in cooler indoor environments. One of the main reasons cats adopt the cat loaf position is for warmth. Cats have a higher body temperature than humans, and they are naturally inclined to seek warmth, particularly when they are resting. By tucking their paws underneath their bodies, cats are able to preserve heat and keep their core body temperature elevated. This position minimizes the amount of body surface exposed to the surrounding air, which helps the cat retain warmth and stay cozy. Cats often choose to sleep in this manner when they are on colder surfaces, such as tile or hardwood floors, as the position reduces their exposure to the cold and keeps them insulated from the ground. The cat loaf posture also has a practical element related to the cat's natural instincts. In the wild, cats are predators, but they are also prey to larger animals, and their survival often depends on their ability to stay alert and react quickly to potential threats. Sleeping with their paws tucked under them allows cats to maintain a compact and protected position that makes it easier for them to spring into action if necessary. This position is an evolutionary adaptation that helps cats remain alert even while they are resting. When a cat adopts the cat loaf position, its limbs are tucked under its body in such a way that it can quickly extend its legs and flee if it senses danger. This readiness is part of a cat's natural instinct to stay vigilant, even while it is at rest. Another key reason why cats sleep with their paws tucked under them is to feel safe and secure. Cats are creatures of habit and often prefer familiar, safe spaces where they can retreat to rest and sleep. When a cat tucks its paws under its body, it is creating a small, protected area for itself, similar to how it would curl up in a tight space in the wild to avoid being exposed. The position gives the cat a sense of security and control over its environment, making it feel less vulnerable while it sleeps. This behavior is common in both indoor and outdoor cats, though it may be more pronounced in cats that have experienced stressful or traumatic events in the past. When a cat feels safe, it may adopt the loaf position to sleep, knowing that it can rest without feeling exposed. Cats may also sleep with their paws tucked under them as a way to conserve energy. As highly efficient predators, cats need to be able to conserve energy for hunting, even though most domestic cats are not hunting for food on a daily basis. The loaf position is a way for cats to relax and rest without expending unnecessary energy. By keeping their body in a compact, efficient shape, cats can rest deeply without using too much energy or causing strain on their muscles. The position also allows the cat to stay somewhat active and ready for any sudden movements, should something catch its attention. This is particularly true for cats that are still in their natural hunting phase or for those that have a more energetic temperament. Interestingly, cats may choose the loaf position for sleeping because it is a posture that allows them to rest their muscles in a relaxed way. Cats are generally very flexible animals, and they can contort their bodies into a variety of positions. However, the loaf position allows them to rest comfortably without putting too much strain on any specific area of their body. By tucking their paws underneath their body, cats avoid putting too much pressure on their limbs or joints, which can lead to discomfort over time. The compact shape also keeps the muscles relaxed, allowing for a more restful sleep. The cat loaf posture is also a way for cats to indicate that they are in a state of calm or relaxation. Unlike when cats are alert or anxious, which might cause them to sit upright or have their limbs extended, the loaf position signifies a state of contentment and calm. It is often seen when a cat feels secure and is not currently focused on any immediate threats or challenges. In this relaxed position, the cat is essentially saying, "I am comfortable, at ease, and in control of my environment." While cats are generally independent and can be selective about when they want to rest or interact, the loaf position shows that the cat feels confident enough to rest and be in a relaxed state without the need for constant vigilance. In addition to these practical reasons, the cat loaf position can also be linked to the cat's social behavior. When a cat is in the loaf position, it might also be signaling that it is not looking for interaction or attention. While this is a common position for cats to adopt when they are resting, it can also serve as a form of nonverbal communication. If a cat is resting in this posture, it may simply be signaling that it is content and doesn't wish to be disturbed. This behavior can be seen as a way for the cat to assert its boundaries, indicating that it is taking time for itself and should not be interrupted. For some cats, the loaf position may simply be more comfortable than other sleeping positions. Cats are known for their preference for cozy, enclosed spaces, and the cat loaf position creates a small, enclosed area that might appeal to their instinctual preference for tight, secure spaces. Whether a cat is sleeping in a cozy corner or curled up on a comfortable couch, the loaf position allows the cat to feel protected and at ease, even in an open or more exposed space. Cats may also shift between different sleeping positions depending on the environment or situation. If a cat is in a new or unfamiliar place, it might be more likely to sleep with its paws tucked under its body as a way of staying more cautious or alert. In more familiar and comfortable surroundings, the cat may stretch out or adopt other positions as it feels more at ease. The loaf position, therefore, can be an indicator of the cat's level of comfort and familiarity with its surroundings. It suggests that the cat is resting in a space where it feels secure and safe. The cat loaf posture, where cats sleep with their paws tucked under their bodies, serves a variety of practical and instinctual purposes. From conserving warmth and energy to ensuring comfort and protection, the loaf position is a reflection of a cat's natural behaviors and instincts. It allows cats to rest while maintaining a state of alertness and readiness for any potential threats. The position also provides a sense of security and relaxation, which is essential for a cat's well-being. Understanding the significance of this posture deepens our appreciation for the complexity of feline behavior and the ways in which cats communicate and interact with their environment. Whether it's a symbol of comfort, security, or just a practical way to sleep, the cat loaf position is yet another example of how cats have evolved to thrive in a variety of situations, both in the wild and in our homes.